Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x square minus x cube is equal to 12 or x square minus x cube. This 12 getting to left side we will get negative 12 is equal to 0 or x square minus x cube. This 12 we can write negative 4 and negative 8 is equal to 0 or rearranging it we will write x square minus 4 minus x cube minus 8 is equal to 0 or x square, this 4 we can write 2 square. Here we can take common minus, so we can get x cube plus 8 is equal to 0 or x square minus 2 square bracket minus x cube plus 8 we can write 2 cube because 2 cube are same as same, 8 is equal to 0. Or here we can use this rule, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Use these two rules. Here we can write x plus 2 times x minus 2 minus x plus 2 times x square minus x times 2 plus 2 square is equal to 0 or x plus 2 x minus 2 minus x plus 2 times x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 or taking common x plus 2 we can get x minus 2 minus x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 x minus 2 minus x square minus times minus this plus 2x plus minus minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 minus x square 2x plus x, that means plus 3x, 4 minus 2, that means minus 6 is equal to 0. Here we are two cases, one x plus 2 and one minus x square plus 3x minus 6. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 or minus x square plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x is equal to these two getting to right side we will get negative 2. Here we can multiplying minus 1, so we can write x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula. The formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3 and c is equal to positive 6. So x is equal to minus b, so b is equal to minus 3, so we can write minus 3 plus or minus square root of b, that means minus 3 square minus 4, that a that means 1 and c that means 6. over 2 times a that means 1, minus times minus is plus, plus or minus square root of minus 3 square that means 9, minus 4 times 1 times 6 that means 24 over 2, or 3 plus or minus square root of 24, 9 minus 24 that means minus 15 over 2, or 3 plus or minus square root of 15 times square root of negative 1 over 2. We know that square root of negative 1 is equal to imaginary, so we can write 3 plus or minus root 15 imaginary by 2, but this is a imaginary value, so it will be rejected. So our value of x is equal to negative 2. Now verify. Okay, our equation is x square minus x cube is equal to 12. X square minus x cube is equal to 12. Here x is equal to negative 2. So negative 2 square negative 2 cube is equal to 12, or negative 2 square that means negative 2 times negative 2. So negative positive and 2 times 2 that means 4, minus negative 2 cube that means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So negative times negative, so positive 2 times negative 2. So positive times negative, positive plus negative that means negative 2 times 2 that means 4. Sorry, here 4 times 2 that means 8. So negative 2 cube that means negative 8 is equal to 12, or 4 negative times negative it will be positive, 8 is equal to 12 is equal to 4 plus 8 that means 12 is equal to 12. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our equation is right. So the value of x is negative 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.